Vice President Jejomar Binay continues his Rag to Riches campaign narrative in Batangas, telling his supporters here that his early life of poverty had made them better equipped to address the problem. On the fourth day of the campaign, Binay and other United Nationalist Alliance vets and supporters go to Nasugbu, Balayan, Calaca, Lemery, and Bawan, the hometown of Binay's father.
Sapagkat ang tatay ko ay taga Bawan, Batangas. Nagkataon lamang na ang napangasama ko niya, ang nanay ko naman, ay taga Isabela. Minsan ay ang biro sa akin, yan buong-buo sa pagkataong Jojo. Ang alin ay yung kakuriputan. Bakit? Ay nako, taga Batangas, kilala sa talagang mahilig mag-ipon ng pera.
Binay explains his platform, pro-poor governance and inclusive growth.
So yung kahirapan po, malulunasan natin, maiaangat po natin dahil sa ang kaharap po ninyo nanggaling na ho sa pagharap sa kanyang problema.
Binay won in this province in the 2010 elections, beating Liberal Party Vice Presidential candidate Manuel Mar Rojas II by over 175,000 votes. Batangas has 1.53 million registered voters for the May 2016 polls. Repeating his 2010 victory in Batangas, however, may be a challenge for Binay, with 22 out of the 34 mayors in the province administration party members. Governor Vilma Santos Recto and Vice Governor Jose Antonio Leviste II are also LP members. Binay's campaign spokesperson Rico Quicho says this is not cause for concern.
Well, alam nyo nga, sabi ko nga po kanina, kaya nga po tayo dito, bara-barangay, bayan-bayan, sapagkat ito naman po hindi na po bago kay Vice President Binay, Kung sinasabi nga po nila nakapos tayo sa mga politikong kakampi, nakita nyo naman po, napakaraming mga kababayan natin ang nagtitiwala at nagmamahal kay Vice President Binay.
A lack of party mates isn't the only hurdle that the man who calls himself a Batangguenyo na Ibanag needs to surpass in the province. He also needs to convince people here to vote for him instead of Senator Grace Poe, who leads in Luzon in the latest Pulse Asia survey. Mara Cepeda, Rappler, Batangas.